Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can fix if your Galaxy Linkbuds S are not pairing and how you can fix that. So what you can try to do is take both earbuds out, then put them back in, and what you want to do is you just want to, when you can have it like this, you want to hold the button from the back for about 15 seconds. And what it will do, it's going to do a factory reset for you. So you're going to hold it. Now it's going to be blue. Then what will happen is going to change the color. You just want to still hold it and go through the whole process. The orange, and now it's going to just turn off. So this is the first way what you can do. The second way is that for some probably earbuds, you just have to put it away, put it only one back in, and hold the button again from the back. And then do it for the second earbud. Again, you would remove this one and put that one here. So maybe this is going to work for you. So try both ways of which one is going to work. And that's pretty much it. And then I will just like do it like this. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.